this person makes $600 a week plus commission, and we're trying to figure out what was the amount of his sales. I'm going to let X be the amount of sales. So the way you calculate how much this person makes, you take 600 plus, you know they're going to get that, and they're going to make 1% on sales over $2,000. Sales over $2,000. So take the amount of sales, back out $2,000, and that amount will be what they get the 1% on. And they tell me they make $650 1 week. So this is 600 plus 0.01x minus 20 equals 650. And that's 580 plus 0.01x, I subtracted 20, equals 650. And then 0.01x equals 650 minus 580, that would be 70. And then x would be, divide both sides by 0.01. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 100. And that gives me 7,000. And then when you multiply 0.01 by 100, it's going to move that decimal 2 places to the right. So you're left with 1. So the amount of sales was 7,000.